You've done it. We've all done it. That moment in a meeting, a movie, a silent room, when a sneeze creeps up on you, and you decide to hold it in. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. What happens next inside your body is genuinely terrifying. First, why do we sneeze at all? Your nose is basically a bouncer. Its job is to keep foreign invaders out. Dust, pollen, bacteria, even tiny bugs. When something suspicious gets in, the nerve endings in your nasal lining send an emergency signal straight to your brain, and your brain responds like a fire alarm just went off. Within milliseconds, it triggers a full-body coordinated response. Your eyes close. Your tongue presses the roof of your mouth. Your chest muscles tighten like a coiled spring, and then, boom! A sneeze launches air out of your body at up to 160 kilometers per hour, carrying up to 100,000 microscopic droplets with it. It is one of the most powerful reflexes your body has, and you just tried to stop it. When you pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut, you don't stop the sneeze, you just trap it. All that explosive pressure, with nowhere to go, gets forced backward through your body. Here's where it gets scary. Your ears. Your nose, throat, and ears are all connected by tiny tubes called eustachian tubes. When you block a sneeze, that pressure rockets straight into your ears. In mild cases, temporary pain and muffled hearing. In rare but real cases, a ruptured eardrum. Your eyes. The pressure can also travel to the tiny blood vessels in and around your eyes, potentially causing them to burst. You've probably seen someone with a red spot in the whites of their eye. This is one way that happens. Your brain. This is the serious one. Doctors have actually recorded cases of people holding sneezes and rupturing blood vessels in the brain. One man in the UK held a sneeze so hard he tore open a small hole in his throat. Another person ruptured a brain aneurysm. These cases are rare, but they are real, and doctors have reported them in medical journals. Your spine. The sudden reversal of pressure has even caused ruptured discs in the spine in documented cases. A sneeze held in can exert more internal pressure than heavy weightlifting. Let's put this into perspective. A normal sneeze generates about 1 psi of pressure, roughly the same as blowing up a balloon. Hold that sneeze in, that pressure has nowhere to go, and the internal force can spike dramatically, transmitted directly to your ears, blood vessels, and airway. Doctors compare it to the internal pressure equivalent of a minor car accident, experienced entirely inside your own head and chest, in under half a second. Okay, so you can't always just let a sneeze rip in the middle of a funeral. Here's what doctors actually recommend. Option 1, let it out, but redirect it. Sneeze into your elbow. It's not embarrassing. It's the medically correct thing to do. You release the pressure safely and don't spray everyone around you. Option 2, slow it down, don't stop it. If you absolutely must muffle a sneeze, keep your mouth slightly open while you cover your face. This gives the pressure a partial release valve so it doesn't ricochet back inside you. Never fully block both your nose and mouth at the same time. That is the one move doctors consistently say you should avoid. Your sneeze reflex exists for a reason. It's one of your body's oldest, most powerful defense systems, forged over millions of years of evolution. It wants out. And honestly, after everything we just learned, maybe just let it out.